Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial I will discuss about if you are facing this problem that call recording feature not showing on your iPhone, so how can I fix it. So guys, keep watching this video until the end, and before starting the video please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates. So guys, make sure your iPhone up to date on iOS 18. So after that, open setting application, and here is scroll down and tap on apps, and now scroll down and find out phone application. Here is, now tap on it, and now scroll down and here is option call recording. Simply turn on call recording feature. So if this call recording feature not available here, so how can I fix it? Simply go back, then go back from here, and and now guys, tap on general, and here is scroll down and tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset, and guys tap on reset all setting. Guys, if your call recording feature not showing after iOS 18 update, so simply once time simply reset all setting. I hope this problem will be solved after reset all setting. So go back from here. So guys, if your device below from iPhone 15 Pro, then update your iPhone to iOS 18.1, because guys, as Apple previously rolled out this feature to devices above the 15 Pro, it is warned that this feature will roll out all iOS supported devices within 18.1 update. So wait for 18.1 updates. So guys, I hope this feature you will see in 18.1 update. So I hope this video helpful for you. So guys, please like my video, subscribe to my channel.